Hi, welcome to this lesson on trigonometry. Today we're looking at the sine ratio. So the sine ratio throughout this lesson is sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Alright, or when you write in your book, abbreviated, sine is equal to O over H, opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, I like to also put in this little triangle for you. We've seen it before in other lessons. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse is going to be very useful when we get into our examples. So let's look at one. We have a right angle triangle here. First thing to do always is look at the angle. The angle is 60 degrees. Alright, and what have we been given? We've got an unknown opposite and we've got a hypotenuse which is worth 35. So step one is we write down the formula. The formula is sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Step 2, substitute in. Sine 60 is equal to our unknown over 35. Okay, so what we want to do is get x by itself down here. So this is where our triangle comes in useful. We are trying to find an opposite side. So we cover what we're looking for, and it will tell us that it is sine of the angle multiplied by the hypotenuse. So rearranging, sine 60 times 35 will give us our answer. You should be able to put that straight in your calculator. And step 3 answer, x is equal to 30.31. It's really easy. Let's look at another one. Okay, right angle triangle here. First step, look at the angle. We've been given 30 degrees. We've also been given this time an opposite side. We're trying to find a hypotenuse. So step 1, write down your formula. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Step 2, substitute our values in. Sine 30 is equal to our opposite, which is 6, over our hypotenuse, which is unknown. Rearranging that again. Okay, we're looking for a hypotenuse this time. Covering the H, opposite divided by sine of the angle. Okay, so x is equal to 6 over sine 30. Again, should be able to put that into your calculator and get the answer. Step 3, x therefore is equal to 12. Alright, here's a couple of examples for you to go practice. Pause the video, have a go, come back, we'll do the answers. So we're looking at number 1, right angle triangle with 40, try and find an opposite. Number 2, right angle triangle with an angle of 28, we're trying to find a hypotenuse. Good luck. Welcome back, let's see how you went. Number 1 was a simple right angle triangle, and our looking at our angle was 40. We've got a hypotenuse of 25 and an unknown opposite. So step 1 was to write our formula. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Step 2 was substituting in. Sine 40 is equal to the unknown over 25. Okay? We want to get x by itself, so we want to find out what that unknown is. We're trying to find a opposite, so we're going to do sine times the hypotenuse. Sine 40 times 25 will give us an answer, 16.07 rounded up. Okay, hope you did alright on that one. And number 2, right angle triangle, angle of 28, an opposite of 17, and a hypotenuse that is unknown. Again, number 1, start with the formula. Number 2, substitute in. Alright, we're trying to get x by itself. We're trying to find, in this case, we're trying to find an opposite. We're trying to find a hypotenuse. Okay, so we're going to do the opposite divided by sine. So cover what you're looking for, the triangle tells you what to do. So that means 17 divided by sine 28, which will give us our step 3, which is our answer of 36.21. Thanks very much for joining us this lesson. We'll see you again next time.